Hello and welcome to my channel How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. Today we've got a quick tutorial video for you on how to make your Twitter account private. By doing this, you can make your tweets visible only to the people whom you follow. So let's get right into it. Let's begin by opening the Twitter app. Once the app opens up, then you'll have to go to the accounts on the top left side of the screen. Once you're inside it, drop down the settings and support menu by clicking on it. Go to settings and privacy. Now here you have the option to manage your privacy and safety settings. Click on it. On the top there is audience and tagging. Select it. Now here you can protect your post so that only current followers and people who you approve in the future will be able to see your post. Toggle this setting to the right and there you go, your Twitter account is now private. All your tweets will only be visible to the people whom you follow. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want more informative contents in the future, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.